Want your money to start compounding automatically without you lifting a finger? That's what DRIP is for. It's how dividend investors reinvest every payout, grow faster, and skip the manual effort. DRIP stands for Dividend Reinvestment Plan. When a company or ETF pays you a dividend instead of sending you cash, your broker automatically uses it to buy more shares. That's it. No clicking, no reinvesting manually. It just happens in the background. Here's why DRIP is so powerful. It turns your portfolio into a compounding machine. Each payout buys more shares, which earn more dividends, which buy even more shares. That's the snowball effect on autopilot. Most brokers make it easy. Just go into your account settings, find the dividend preferences, and turn DRIP on. Some platforms let you choose which stocks to DRIP. Others apply it to your whole account. A few things to know. DRIP often buys fractional shares, so even small dividends get reinvested. Most brokers offer it for free, but double check. You can turn it off anytime if you want to take dividends as cash instead. DRIP is perfect if you're in the wealth building phase. It helps you grow faster, stay consistent, and keep emotions out of it. It's set it and forget it investing, and it adds up over time. If you're serious about dividend investing, DRIP is the easiest win you'll ever turn on. Hit subscribe. Stickonomics. Finance drawn simply.